If you're a watch enthusiast, keeping your timepieces running smoothly is essential. In this video, we'll explore the best top 5 watch winder in this year options that combine style, efficiency, and reliability to ensure your automatic watches stay perfectly wound and ready. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. MOZSLY Watch Winder. The MOZSLY Watch Winder is a stylish and practical solution for keeping your automatic watches in perfect condition. Designed with black PU leather and clear acrylic glass, it offers both elegance and durability, making it a great display piece as well as a functional accessory. Its soft-touch materials and sleek appearance also make it an excellent gift for any watch enthusiast. One of the standout features is its super quiet operation, thanks to the high-quality Japanese motor combined with an efficient gearbox. This ensures that the winder runs smoothly and silently, making it ideal for use in bedrooms, offices, or any quiet space without disturbing your environment. The winder supports multiple settings with 3 rotation directions, clockwise, counterclockwise, or alternating, and 4 TPD, turns per day, settings ranging from 650 to 1,500. These options make it compatible with a wide variety of automatic watches, ensuring proper winding and accuracy. The design includes an intelligent cycle system, where the unit rotates for a few minutes and then rests before resuming again on an hourly cycle, mimicking natural wrist movement. Power options are also versatile, allowing operation via AC power or 2 AA batteries, with a connecting cable provided for linking multiple winders together. It's important to note that only one power method can be used at a time for safety. Overall, the MOZSLY Watch Winder delivers reliable functionality, modern aesthetics, and whisper-quiet performance, making it an excellent choice for collectors who want to keep their watches wound, accurate, and ready to wear. Number 2. CAJESA Watch Winder. The CAJESA Watch Winder is designed to combine advanced technology with luxury watch care, offering a truly premium experience for collectors. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, this winder ensures that automatic watches remain wound and accurate at all times. Unlike traditional winders, the CAJESA brings an upgraded version with multiple smart functions, making it highly versatile. It features precise rotation settings that simulate natural wrist movements, providing optimal winding without overstressing delicate mechanisms. The quiet motor ensures smooth performance, allowing you to place it in bedrooms, offices, or personal study areas without worrying about distracting noise. Its build quality is equally impressive, made with refined materials that enhance both durability and presentation. The unit is versatile in functionality, offering multiple TPD and directional settings to cater to a wide range of automatic watches, from high-end luxury brands to everyday wear. What makes this model especially appealing is its attention to detail in usability. The winder operates efficiently, conserving energy while maintaining accurate performance, which is important for collectors who rely on consistent operation over long periods. Additionally, its compact yet elegant design ensures that it not only functions as a reliable tool, but also as a decorative piece that enhances the aesthetics of any room. The CAJESA Watch Winder is particularly suitable for watch enthusiasts who want an advanced, durable, and visually appealing solution for keeping their timepieces in top condition. Number 3. Watch Winder Smith Watch Winder. The Watch Winder Smith Watch Winder stands out as a brand built on tradition and reliability, with over 17 years of manufacturing experience since 2007. Known for its dedication to functional design and craftsmanship, Watch Winder Smith has earned its reputation by producing classic, well-made winders for collectors around the world. This particular model reflects that heritage, offering both aesthetic elegance and practical performance. A key feature is the patented 2020 redesigned winder cup, which accommodates watches of varying sizes, from smaller 26mm cases to larger 56mm designs, ensuring a secure fit for nearly any automatic watch. The winder also includes an individual switch with 4 operational modes, offering clockwise, counterclockwise, or alternating rotations to meet different winding requirements. Its sleeping quiet design is powered by a world-renowned Japanese motor, upgraded to reduce noise levels to a mere 10 to 20 dB, which is comparable to the sound of breathing. This makes it a perfect option for bedrooms or offices where silence is essential. Another highlight is its handcrafted finish, using classic, non-magnetic materials that protect watches from magnetization while enhancing the overall display of a collection. When the winder is in motion, it showcases your watch beautifully, turning it into a functional display piece. The timeless design paired with dependable engineering makes this winder a trusted companion for collectors who appreciate craftsmanship and reliability. Number 4. ANWBROAD Watch Winder. The ANWBROAD Watch Winder brings a sense of luxury and convenience to watch collectors who value both performance and style. Built with high-quality piano lacquer and carbon fiber materials, this winder is not only durable but also visually appealing, giving it a polished, high-end look. Designed to maintain automatic watches effortlessly, it offers 4 winding positions and dual rotation modes, including clockwise, counterclockwise, and interval settings, ensuring that your watches are wound properly without risk of overwinding. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide variety of timepieces, catering to the needs of collectors with diverse watch collections. One of its standout features is the adjustable pillows, equipped with removable rings to accommodate different wrist sizes, making it suitable for both men's and women's watches. The built-in blue LED illumination enhances the ambience, providing a subtle glow that makes the winder easy to use at night while also adding a touch of modern elegance. The unit offers 4 rotation modes, each carefully designed to replicate natural wrist movement patterns, ensuring accurate winding cycles. It also operates with an ultra-quiet brushless motor producing less than 5 dB of noise, which is quieter than a library. This means it can be placed in a bedroom or office without disturbing your environment. The intelligent operation, combined with its luxury design, makes it more than just a functional accessory. It's also a decorative addition to any watch collection. Number 5. DUKWIN Watch Winder. The DUKWIN Watch Winder is a premium accessory designed for serious watch collectors who require a combination of luxury, function, and convenience. Built with high-quality materials and finished with a refined piano lacquer, this winder exudes elegance while maintaining durability. Its vertical design is both space-saving and visually appealing, making it a perfect addition to bedrooms, offices, or personal display areas. Unlike many other winders, the DUKWIN features an impressive 8 winding slots and 6 additional storage spaces, offering maximum flexibility for those with multiple timepieces. Adding further value, a built-in jewelry storage box provides convenient space for rings, cufflinks, or other accessories. The winder is powered by a high-quality Japanese Marlboro motor, ensuring energy-efficient operation and ultra-quiet performance, even when used at night. Functionality is also a highlight, with 4 winding modes available to suit different watch requirements, including left, right, and alternating rotations. White interior lighting creates a soft glow that not only highlights your timepieces, but also makes them easy to access in dim environments. The unit also includes a safety locking mechanism, protecting your collection from accidental drops or unauthorized access. Another thoughtful feature is the spring watch pillow, designed to fit nearly all watch sizes and bands, ranging from 110 to 200 millimeters. This ensures that both men's and women's watches are securely held in place during operation. Overall, the DUKWIN Watch Winder is more than just a functional accessory. It's a complete storage and display solution for collectors. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.